In the alleged sacrilege video case involving the Chief Minister of Punjab, Mr. Bhagwant Mann, a new twist has emerged. Gurugram police are investigating claims that two senior Punjab police officers paid an amount of 10 lakh rupees to get a forensic report declaring that the footage was fake and it was manipulated. An FIR has now been filed. Two individuals have been arrested as well. Ankit and Arun have been accused of conspiring to generate fake forensic and cyber analysis reports. The case was registered following a complaint by a forensic expert. As per the complainant, in this case, he was offered a bribe of 10 lakh rupees to fudge the findings. Digital evidence, financial transactions and role of others being possibly involved is also under the scanner. Let's first listen into this reaction coming in from the ACP of Gurugram, Naveen Sharma.
उसमें दो लोगों को भी हमने गिरफ्तार किया जाएगा। इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है जिसमें अंकित नाम का बंदा है। अंकित जो कि NIA में साइबर एक्सपर्ट है, ये एड होक पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेस पे काम करता है। अरुण, वीडियो वायरल थी जिसमें इनकी ये कोई इस पे उसमें इन्होंने फर्जी तौर पे कुछ बनाया है और उसको यूज कराया है इन्होंने, जो कि इनके पास कोई मान्यता प्राप्त लैब नहीं थी, मुख्यमंत्री जी की वो थी। उसमें उन्होंने कुछ AI जनरेट करने के लिए फर्जी तौर पे बनाई है, तो उसमें हमने इनको हिरासत में लिया है।
Let's now take a look at the explosive claims that have been made by Haryana cops. Number one, and these are the allegations that are coming to fore. 10 lakh paid to procure a favorable forensic report. Number two, video analysis was fixed to get a pre-decided conclusion. Claim number three, individuals posing as Punjab officials approached the experts. Claim number four, revisions sought till the report matched the narrative. And number five, report issued in the names of dubious forensic institutions. Now, there's a lot of political firestorm, political reactions coming in on this story. This has given BJP more ammunition. BJP is doubling down on its demand for Bhagwant Mann's resignation. And BJP says Mr. Mann reportedly claimed that the videos were AI generated and assured that forensic reports from two independent labs would be submitted to substantiate his position. However, subsequent investigations have allegedly revealed that both forensic reports were fabricated and the labs cited in support of these reports either did not exist in the manner claimed or were falsely represented. Congress netas are saying that Mann should break his silence on whether Punjab cops were sent to Gurugram or not. Listen into the reactions coming in.
The unthinkable has been done by Bhagwant Mann. First, to commit act of sacrilege. Everyone has seen the viral video on which Akal Takht has taken a very strict action against Bhagwant Mann. And then, in order to mislead Akal Takht, in order to show and create an impression that the video was fake, was AI generated, you manipulate the forensic labs, the experts, by trying to bribe them and pay them. And now the Gurugram police has exposed this entire conspiracy done by Bhagwant Mann using the state machinery, the police machinery, to do exactly that. So, first you commit act of sacrilege and then you use state machinery to cover it up.
ਪੰਜਾਬ ਅੱਜ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਦੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਗੰਭੀਰ ਨੈਤਿਕ ਅਤੇ ਸੰਵਿਧਾਨਿਕ ਸੰਕਟ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਤਖਤ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੋਖੀ ਅਤੇ ਪੰਥਕ ਵਿਰੋਧੀ ਐਲਾਨੇ ਜਾਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਵੀ ਭਗਵੰਤ ਮਾਨ ਕੁਰਸੀ ਨਾਲ ਚੁੰਬੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਰੇਆਮ ਦੁਰਵਰਤੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ। ਇੱਕ ਫਰਜ਼ੀ ਅਤੇ ਝੂਠੀ ਜਾਲੀ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਰਵਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਜਨਤਾ ਦੇ ਟੈਕਸ ਦੇ 10 ਲੱਖ ਰੁਪਏ ਪਾਣੀ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਉਡਾਤੇ। ਹਰ ਮੰਤਰੀ, ਹਰ ਵਿਧਾਇਕ, ਹਰ ਅਧਿਕਾਰੀ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਕਰੇ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਤਖਤ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਅਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨ ਦਾ ਰੁਤਬਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੋਖੀ ਦੀ ਕੁਰਸੀ।
After this FIR, after the video of Jasprit and the other boys who have given the FIR and their statements, I think the Chief Minister of Punjab doesn't have any way out. He must resign because in Sikh history, in Punjab history, in our country's history, this has never happened. That head of a state and head of a state has tried to prove Shri Akal Takht wrong. That has never happened. Everybody has bowed his head before Akal Takht Sahab.
ये बहुत ही संवेदनशील बात है और बहुत ही सीरियस और गंभीर बात है कि एक मुख्यमंत्री अपनी वीडियो का सच छुपाने के लिए श्री अकाल तख्त साहब को चैलेंज करे, जथेदार साहब को बोले कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं, बाकी लोगों का एक्टिव रोल, और उस दिन भी ये नहीं बताना कि ये कौन सी लेबोरेटरी है। आज मैंने दोनों लेबोरेटरी का नाम भी बता दिया है और ये भी बता दिया कि उस एड्रेस पे ये लेबोरेटरीज एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती हैं।
Well, Chief Minister of Punjab, Mr. Bhagwant Mann, has once again rejected all the allegations, saying these are cheap political tactics. He's disassociating himself from the video. Let's take you through what the Chief Minister of Punjab has said in his defense. Number one, he says this is nothing but cheap political tactics. Number two, according to him, a fake video is being circulated. Defense number three, attempts to defame him on religious grounds. Number four, he says, person in the video bears no resemblance to him. Defense number five, branded guilty because the video went viral. Defense number six, this is what the Chief Minister has said, had the video examined by a forensic lab. Number seven, BJP has targeted the owners of these very labs. Number eight, BJP, Akali Dal and Congress have joined hands. These are all the allegations that he is leveling in his defense. Defense number 9, the Punjab Chief Minister says lab owners are being subjected to torture and pressure. And number 10, according to the Chief Minister of Punjab, people will decide what is right or wrong. Let's now listen into the reaction he gave.
पिछले कुछ दिनों तो एक बड़ी घटिया राजनीति के हथकंडे तहत मेरिया फर्जी वीडियो जड़ियां ने रिलीज की जा रही, जदों किसी होर पासे इन्हों का बस नहीं चलता तो फिर ये धर्म वाले पासों मैनू बदनाम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। पिछले दिन ही जी वीडियो जिदे ना मेरी शरीरक बनतर उस बंदे ना मिलती है, ना मेरा कद काठ मिलता है, ना मेरे तुरन का अंदाज या मेरे खड़न का अंदाज मिलता है, वो वीडियो नू वायरल करके मैनू दोषी करार दिता गया। पर संगतां ने वो वीडियो देखी, पूरी दुनिया के लोगों वालों मैनू सैकड़े फोन भी आए, वीडियो मैसेज भी आए कि जी सानू तो जमा शरियां पता लग रहा है कि वीडियो नकली है। उस तो बाद असी ने भी फोरेंसिक लैब तो जांच कराई। हुण वो फोरेंसिक लैब के जिन्ने भी मालक ने उन्होंने बीजेपी ने हमला करता, तो उन्होंने उन्होंने लैबां के मालकां नूं FIR का डर दे के, टॉर्चर करके या डरावा दे के ये कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि ये कह दो कि असीं इन्ने पैसे ले सी, असीं तां रिपोर्ट फर्जी बना दी। अच्छा, जिहड़ी लैब चों असीं कराया वो फर्जी, जिहड़ी लैब चों इन्होंने कराया वो असली। संगत नूं सारा पता है कि कौन असली ते कौन नकली।
Meanwhile, let's also show you how the rest of the Aam Aadmi Party has responded to this entire controversy.
अब जब भाजपा का षड्यंत्र फेल हो गया, बंगाल के बाद पंजाब को लेकर से किस तरह से भाजपा बौखलाई हुई है, मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं से कहना चाहता हूं, 100 षड्यंत्र कर लो, पंजाब के लोग आपके हर षड्यंत्र का जवाब देंगे।
Well, a few days ago, when the Akal Takht, highest temporal seat of the Sikh community, declared CM Bhagwant Mann as anti-Guru and anti-Khalsa Panth, the CM in his defense had rejected all the allegations. He said that this is false propaganda against him. He claimed that the person in the video neither matches his height nor build.
जो वीडियो कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਜ मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ गंभीर विषय ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ मुद्दे ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ मैं ਉਹ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕਰਨੇ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ। ਧਰਮ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਠੇਕੇਦਾਰ ਬਣੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਿਆਸੀ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਨਿਯੁਕਤੀਆਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਫੇਵਰਿਟ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ, ਆਪਣੇ ਚਹੇਤਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ, ਤੇ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਫੇਕ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਮ ਲਾ ਕੇ, ਇੱਕ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇੱਕ ਐਸੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਐਕਟਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰੀ ਨਕਲ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਫੇਕ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੀ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਜਾਂਚ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੰਥ ਦਾ ਦੋਖੀ ਕਰਾਰ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ।
Let's go across to Niyamika. She's getting us more details. So Bhagwant Mann maintains he has nothing to do with the video. It's a false and a fake propaganda against him. On the other hand, the Gurugram police has arrested 2 people, Niyamika, and the claim is that they were paid 10 lakh rupees to generate a fabricated, manipulated forensic report that gave the Chief Minister a clean chit.
Well, yes, indeed, it is a huge political controversy which has erupted just ahead of the assembly elections in the state of Punjab. We have seen that how there are allegations which are being levelled against Mr. Bhagwant Mann, not just about that particular video, but also the kind of claims which are being made that he has offered bribe to the forensic lab person. In fact, it was basically being done to fabricate the entire report of this particular video, to which now 2 of the people have already been arrested. But the controversy which has started regarding this entire matter is when the opposition parties, including the Congress as well as BJP, they have started, asking for the resignation of Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. They are basically stating that firstly, it had been a case of bribery which has come to the fore, and secondly, he has also insulted the Akal Takht. It was basically the directions which were being given by Akal Takht, in which Bhagwant Mann was being declared as anti-guru, and by not responding to that, by not accepting their directions, it is basically a huge insult which he has done to the Akal Takht. And in fact, many of the leaders are also saying that even the top leaders, even the top people have always respected the Akal Takht, whatever directions are being given on his part. But on the other side, Bhagwant Mann is also stating that this is entire controversy is being hashed against him only on the basis of the religious sentiments. As now
Niyamika, thank you for getting us the details.